So we'll be discussing about the biomass. These were the biomass carbon cycle. We have discussed it. So next to this is your this is basically the process for the production of biomass, generation of biomass. So if we see from the first column, that is this animal husbandry, and these are the sources basically from where we are getting organic wastes, like from animal husbandry. First one it is. Secondly, it is your crop harvesting, industrial processing, human consumption. All these four five sources basically are the sources of organic waste. So this is the organic waste from animal husbandry, like the waste that we are getting from the animal husbandry. Then for the biofuel, from the biofuel production, we get an organic, we can say, waste out of this. And crop harvesting out of this, like rice, sugarcane, straw, clear. So these are many of the sugarcane bagasse. We have many of the things we are getting out of it that are out of the crop harvesting are the organic waste. So after this industrial processing, after that we are getting like in the case of you can say rice industry, like from the sellers of rice, we get the rice husk as a byproduct out of it, that is a waste. Then is from human consumption also, like we get from the excreta, we are getting the you can say n number of types of waste out of this. So when these organic wastes are subjected to anaerobic digestion, okay, so then after this anaerobic digestion, we can from this the waste out of this is a biofertilizer, and that out of this anaerobic digestion we get two things out of it. Clear. The first one is the biogas. Clear. So in the top we get in the top of the dome, like in the anaerobic digester. In the digestion, it is the process is known as anaerobic digestion, and we can say the component, the place where it is happening, it is a digester, and aerobic digester we usually call it. Clear. So we are getting two products out of it. The first one is the biogas, and that is biomass. Biogas is collected over the dome shape. Clear, because being lighter, it gets to collect at the top. And from here, this yellow line, this one line, we are getting the biogas, and it is being supplied to the natural gas pipeline out of it, and to the grid in this. And from the grid, it is being supplied to electrical energy or thermal energy in the form of the homes. Clear. So it is we can use it in the case of natural gas pipeline. It is being provided to far off places directly, or it can be from the natural in the form of to the grid. It is being supplied in the form of grid, and from the grid it is the electric energy or thermal energy to the provided from the grid to the, we can say, the powerhouses to the homes and the commercials where we are using it, commercial spaces where we are using it. Yes. So out of this we are and out of this we are getting two sorts of wastes, as H2O and CO2, clear, the water and carbon dioxide. So that is being used in the case of in for your energy crops, like in the fields it is being used for this, and the solar energy by the process of photosynthesis. They are storing up the energy in the form of these plants and shrubs. Yeah, and these shrubs, as we have discussed also, that they store the energy from the sun, that is the heat energy of the sun, solar energy of the sun, is being stored in the plant in the form of chemical energy through the process of photosynthesis in this part. Clear? So we are getting out of this. Plus the second product that we are talking about anaerobic digestion is the biofertilizers we are getting. These are also basically manures and fertilizers for this. They are biofertilizers. They can be used in the fields and the crops for raising the, we can say, raising the production of the crops. Clear. And to make the soil more fertile, we use the biofertilizers in this case. And then and from energy from these crops, energy crops out of this, we get the waste out of this. They are also being fed to the anaerobic digestion in this place. Clear. So we are getting, so this is basically a cycle and the sources, and so which cycle we are going through and what we are getting out of this to for the production of biomass in this case. So starting from sources, this is animal husbandry, biofuel production, where organic waste are being subjected to anaerobic digester, and anaerobic digester we are getting two things. First is the biogas that is supplied to the natural gas pipelines or started to the grid. Secondly, we are getting from the anaerobic the biofertilizers. They are directly being used in the fields and fields for crops, and plus the hydrogen and your water and carbon dioxide is directly being used for the in this for the fields in this case, and the solar energy from the in the form of photosynthesis providing the chemical energy is stored in the form of chemical energy in the shrubs. So that we are getting, and out of this also we are getting, like from crop harvesting, out of it we are getting many sorts of waste out of it that can in the form of organic waste, and that can be used directly also. Energy from the crops is also being used in the your anaerobic digestion also. So this is a basic cycle for the generation of biomass. Yes. So now if we see a wide variety of conversion technologies is available for manufacturing premium fuels from biomass. So there are conversion technologies, many sorts of conversion technologies that are available for the manufacturing premium fuels from biomass. So each biomass resources, like we have the number of biomass resources like wood, dung, vegetable waste, like wood from the trees, cow dung, dung from the animals, and in the form of this. So that is the dung out of this, and vegetable waste. Also, the waste we are getting from the vegetables, like used up vegetables, cut off vegetables, chopped off vegetables. There are also all many sorts of, like many of the thing we can say the parts of the vegetables are not we can say not to be eaten here, so they cannot be consumed. Like in the case of many of this upper layer of the many of the vegetables, we get to chop off where because we cannot consume it. So that is basically the sort of vegetable waste. Sometimes we can say the inner shell or sometimes the outer shell of the vegetables are that is to be discarded or waste because it cannot be consumed. So that can be treated in many different ways to provide wide spectrum of useful products. So if we discuss any of these biomass resource, we can get wood, dung, vegetable waste. This can be treated in many different ways to provide a wide spectrum for useful products. So it can be wood, either it can be dung, or it can be vegetable waste. They cannot be only be used in a single, we can say, way. It can be used in different number of ways out of this. The choice of the process is determined by the number of facts, the location of the resources and its physical conditions, the economics of completing process, availability, yes, then physical conditions, economics of completing process, availability of the suitable market. So we have to consider many sorts of things for this. So if we talk of like this, so the choice of the process, like we have, if we are to generate a biogas, or we have to, we can say, set up a biogas plant. So we have to step into see a number of factors are to be decided on both side of this. Like the first one is the location of the resources. So we have to see that normally we cannot locate in the a biogas plant in the vicinity of the residential places. So the problem being because it is very a smell, a pungent smell out of it is coming on all the time. Secondly, the waste is to be processed, and we have to be. It has to be like it has to be an isolated place. Plus, the place should be isolated, but it should not be so isolated that it should be cut off from the, we can say, cities. Like it should have proper transportation facilities because the waste has to be, we can say, brought to the place where it is at the site of the location site of the biogas plant. Because if we are not having sufficient transportation facilities to let the, we can say, the waste to reach out the biogas plant, it's not we cannot manufacture out of it, we cannot generate the biogas out of it. So location is the problem. Then location of the resources again is the problem, that the factor that we have to consider location of the resources. Like resources in this case, what are the resources for the biogas? Like if in a hydroelectric power plant, we are looking for a place where the water is available. In the, you can say, a thermoelectric power plant, we should have the availability of raw material. So in this case, the availability is the raw material. What is the raw material in this case? The raw material for this case would be the wood. Like we have should have the ample supply of organic waste. We should have the supply of resources like wood. We should have the supply of resources like dung, here excreta, dung. then vegetable waste, and then your animal husbandry, sugarcane, bagasse, crops. So we have, and so all these sources are to be available nearby the location so that they can be processed for the formation of generation of biogas in this place. So we have to consider all the factors for the location. Firstly, the location is to be placed in such a manner so it should not be a problem for residential areas. Secondly, it is the, we can say, the sources or location of the resources also should be available nearby the plant. So we should not have so much transportation cost for the, we can say, the resources to be produced at the site. Then it's physical conditions and economics of competing process. The physical conditions also is a play an important role. So what are the physical conditions, like how the waste has to be treated, how the, we can say, the parts that to be is to be taken off. So that all things are to be, we can say, mentioned or quoted for this. Then economics of competing process. Economics of competing means like if we are we can say generating a biogas out of it. So it has to be, it will be an occurring a cost associated with it. So we are, if we are to take up the cost here, so and that cost is to be compensated when the biogas is to be produced. So the price that will be the coming out from the, we can say, the money that will be coming out on the from the formation of biogas should be compensated or should be, we can say, exaggerated enough than the, we can say, the amount of expenditure, amount of capital we have done for generation of that particular biogas. So we should be considering all these factors opposed because like the costs are also the digester, if anaerobic digester we are using, cost of pipelines, cost of transportation, cost of these pipelines supplying the biogas out of this, cost of transportation of waste out of this, then the cost of pipelines for the, we can say, providing the biogas onto the supplied sites. So there should be the, we can say, it should be economic also because the cost of generating the biogas should not be excess to the or above to the cost of, we can say, than what we are getting out of it. So the biogas should always be, we can say, costlier. The cost of generating it should be lesser than the cost of the product produced. The product produced in this case is the biogas for us. So then availability of suitable market for the, we can say, generation of this. So suitable market, and this does not mean like we are having we need a marketplace for this, but the and we can say the point that is trying to tell is that suitable market means the consumption place for the biogas. Like if it is for the vicinity of we can say a small village or a small, it is able to power 10 to 20 homes. So they should not be, we can say, so much far off places from the, we can, generation of the generation site of the biogas, because the cost of providing it, or we can say cost of taking it to longer distances, will eventually increase to the, we can say, the amount that is required for this. Plus there are chances of leakage also, because if the gases leak in between their apart, then there is also a loss of gases without any, we can say, profit out of it. So it should have a suitable market, and that too in the proper, or we can say, close range of it. So it should not go very much beyond out of this. So these are the things that are to be considered for this biogas conversion for this.